It's like 4:50 something in the morning. August 3, 2026. I couldn't I couldn't be bothered to use my laptop right now kasi nasa baba and like ayoko na bumaba sa kama ko. But like gusto ko na sabihin is I hate how lonely I am right now in my 20s. I mean, I'm only 20, but like, whatever. I sometimes I feel like, is this it? Is this like, is this all I'm gonna have? Kasi, ayoko bumalik, ayoko bumalik ng QC for a while and, I don't know, I feel like my friends don't really give a damn, or they couldn't be bothered enough to actually visit me here the way I would travel 3 hours one way for them. And I don't know, it's kind of disappointing. I love them. I love my friends. They're cool people, but like sometimes I just want somebody to actually give a damn, like enough to actually visit me here. And I'm not like my roommates na namimiss yung QC. I actually like it here. I like it here. But the village is in QC or in Manila, so can't really do much. The village I participate in is 3 hours away via bus. So pa yun, ayoko pupunta sa relationships kasi I'm not over my ex. I literally crashed out yesterday because of it. Pumili ako ng Marlboro Purple Fusion. uh, friend, sick friend of mine. Excuse me. A really sick friend of mine sent a pic of my ex's IG story with her new man, and like I screamed. So yeah, I'm not over that. Basically, not over that. Can't be into relationships right now. I mean, the sem is starting. eh, I'm supposed to have class later, pero gagamitin yung co-plan so walang class eh. Sayang. Ano pa ba? Oh yeah, I crashed out. Hindi ko kaya hindi ko kaya magka-relationship right now, and I just want to meet new people sa second year. New people or get closer sa mga taong nakilala ko ng first. Yes, gusto ko lang ng makakasama kahit pa paano to make this college life easier or bearable at least. I can't do this lonely thing for the rest of my college years. I'm gonna post, dude, like, I'm gonna post about stuff na pinupuntahan ko. I wanna be, like at least once a month may post ako sa ganap ng buhay ko. But no, it's been quite boring. I've been depressed about it. I feel like there's so much holding me back, and it's not fun. Medyo disappointed din ako sa sarili ko. I guess it's me being so introverted in high school or letting my first relationship damage my social life so much that it did irreparable damage sa self-esteem ko. And to be honest, high school fucked me up in some way kasi God, I wish mas naging close ako sa mga tao noon. But, I'm just on other level. Fuck. Masaya naman mag-side quest or like pumunta sa mga gig solo, pero nakakalungkot din eh. It's like, wala akong kasama. Hindi ako maka-interact sa kanila kasi ako lang mag-isa tapos sila like, may circles naman na and everything. Gusto ko ulit magwalwal. Gusto ko ulit pumunta sa mga gig. Gusto ko pumunta sa next party na meron for freshmen or for students in general. But I feel like people don't really give a fuck anymore. Kinda hurts. It's kind of pathetic for me to say this, pero I'm already preparing for a somewhat lonely 20s.